Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. This is Robert at Retro Car Guy 530. This is weekly vlog number 5 for the week of June 11th, 2018. And I'm going to go through the videos I've uploaded to the channel since the last weekly vlog on June 1st. I'm going to talk about a couple of cars that I want to do a review of on the channel in the next week or two. And I'm going to give you a short demonstration of the brake light pulsar module, which is the subject of one of the videos on the channel. So stick around after the intro and we'll get into all of that. The videos I've been able to upload on the channel since the last weekly vlog on June 1st include 2 Cars and Coffee Folsom videos, one for June 2nd and one for June 9th. I'm now one of the official sponsors of that event, so I strongly urge you to come out on a Saturday morning and check out the cars. There's no blackout dates for that event until September 1st, so if you're free on a Saturday morning and you're in the Sacramento area, come out to Folsom and check out the cars. The videos for those, I've received a comment on one of them about the format of the video showing where I showed the cars in the various rows in a split screen, and a suggestion was to not use the split screen. Take a look at the videos, see what you think about it, add a comment to the comment section for the video. I'm always willing to improve it if it makes it easier to view, because that's the whole point. You guys want to see something, I need to put it in a format you like viewing it in, so check them out. One of the other videos I added includes the Chevy SS sedan review video that I've been promising for the last several weeks. Finally, I was able to get enough time to complete the review, film it, edit it, and get it uploaded to the channel. In that video, I go through the various reasons why I don't think it's a sales flop, as many other reviewers are claiming for that vehicle. They're looking strictly at the number of sales, the sales numbers for that, and in my opinion, it actually was a sales success given the original intention for that vehicle by GM. The number of vehicles sold basically equals the number brought in from Australia, so it's hard to beat 100% sales rate on something and call that a sales flop. But check out the video on that vehicle, see if a 415 horsepower rear-wheel drive, optionally configured with a manual transmission or 6-speed automatic family sedan is something you might want to have in your family stable of cars. So check that out. And then I have a couple other videos related, one that identifies the functionality of a third brake light pulsar. I have that installed in my Chevy SS sedan and my Chevy SSR. I use a product from Web Electric Products. One is a BLP-1, which is their generic module, and that's installed in my SS sedan. And then I have a BLP-1 SSR, which is the same module, just has SSR specific connectors already added to it. And once I uploaded that video, I received some contact from a couple SS owners asking how I customized the BLP-1 generic module to make it a plug-and-play unit for the Chevy SS sedan. So I created another video that I uploaded this past weekend showing how I did the customization and how I accessed the third brake light area on the Chevy SS, which you can also use that same information to gain access just to the brake light, because sometimes the foam padding around the edge of the brake light gets out of place. So if nothing else, you can use that video to show you how to get to that, which is pretty straightforward, maybe 5-10 minutes to get to it. Check out that video. And in this video, I'm going to give you a very quick demonstration of what a third brake light pulsar does and why I like this particular module. But the full video is on the channel, so check that out if you would, and I'll put a link here so you can go easily see that particular video. So with that, I'm going to cut away to the BLP demonstration, and after that, we'll talk about the cars I want to review on the channel. So let's check out the BLP brake light pulsar. So here is the Web Electric Products BLP-1 generic brake light pulsar module that's been customized with the connectors appropriate to the Chevy SS sedan. I just want to quickly give you a demonstration of this so you can understand what I'm talking about. Again, look at the full video that I have on the channel that talks about this, and also the follow-up video that talks about the installation in the Chevy SS sedan. So with that, we have the BLP-1 unit itself, and it comes with a red wire that goes to the car harness side, the white wire that goes over to the brake light end of it, and then there's a blue wire which is the ground, and the ground has to go both, the ground actually gets sourced from the car harness, but the brake light also needs the ground, so I put an extra chunk of wire in here to be the ground into the brake light and to go to the car harness side of it. The virtual brake light here being this 50 Pontiac LED light I have here. So I created these test harnesses, test pieces to act as the brake light end of it and the car harness end of it. And here's my virtual brake pedal. So with that, I'll demonstrate what it does when I apply the brakes for the first time. Again, this is your third brake light, not your regular brake lights. So there's the pulsing and it stays steady. If I take the foot off the brake pedal and reapply it again, it holds it steady. So that's the whole point, is not to annoy the drivers behind you. So let's leave it off for like 15 seconds, which is the timeout period for that. Now during that point in time, you've caught the attention of the driver behind you, but if you had to quickly reapply the brakes, you don't annoy them by it flashing every single time. Personal opinion, I don't like to have it flash every time. Some people do. There are other modules out there that can do the same function, but you might want to check your vehicle code in your state to make sure that it complies with it, because this one only pulses 4 times, and that complies with the California Vehicle Code. So that's one reason I love this particular one. It doesn't do anything more than the vehicle code allows, and it doesn't blink every single time I apply it if I apply the brakes quickly. So if we apply brakes again, we pulse again. So with that, it shows you the overview of what the brake light pulser does, and the fact that the Chevy SS sedan connectors are just connectors. So the BLP-1 can be customized for any vehicle, and that's the intention of it. It's a generic, non-car specific module. So that's all I've done, is added those vehicle specific connectors. And with that concludes the demonstration of the BLP. Over the next couple of weeks, I plan to get a couple car review videos done. One of those is for a 2017 VW Golf GTI, and the other being a 2016 Ford Focus ST. Both are vehicles I would definitely say qualify for a hot hatchback. They have slightly different characteristics to them, but they're both excellent vehicles. And the level of performance that the owner of the Ford Focus has gotten that to is quite amazing. So please look forward to those on the channel. I have a couple more videos I want to get started on relating to the Chevy SSR, the aftermarket parts from simple-engineering.com, and that will show you at least what's available for the vehicle, and how to install them will be another set of videos for that vehicle. The code reader that I purchased that can do the ABS bleed procedure, I want to take advantage of that functionality and perform a brake bleed on the 2004 Chevrolet SSR as well. So those are the videos I currently have in the hopper for filming and editing. And if you have any suggestions for things that you'd like to see on the vehicles I have here, please leave a comment below. And I hope this has been informative, and you come back next week, check on the vlog, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time and you want to, please subscribe. Click that bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Please follow Retro Car Guy 530 on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for taking the time to visit the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.